Dear students, welcome to the practicals of speech, language, and pathology. Okay, so here you will be doing something which are hands-on. Definitely, right now it is very easy for you to do. So, as per your syllabus, there are around 17 things you are expected to do. Okay, because and there is nothing like unit 1, unit 2. So out of 17 we will cover in this free in this starter package will be around three things, first three things. Okay, so the first topic of your practical is list the available clinical facilities and clinical activities of the department or institute. Okay, so in this we are talking about two things. One is what are the facilities available, कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिससे आप या तो स्पीच थेरेपी इवेल्यूशन कर रहे हो या स्पीच लैंग्वेज थेरेपी दे रहे हो. इट कैन बी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, जिस टाइप्स की रूम्स है. इट कैन बी ऑल्सो दी इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, कौन कौन से प्रकार के आपके पास इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है और कुछ टेस्ट वगैरह है क्या. सो ऑल दिस थिंग्स विल कम इनटू clinical facilities. Okay, so if we talk about few details of clinical facilities, so इसमें आएगा, one second, for your making it easy I have made a PDF file. I will attach this in the unit, in this just below this video. So one is, if you have a speech and language evaluation room itself, so sometimes you have a evaluation room for separately, जहाँ पे table, you have chairs. You may also have a different therapy room where you can have a mat, or you can have a small table for a child to sit, a small chair for the children, and also there you can take a therapy. Okay, so or for you it might be combined together, maybe therapy room है और evaluation room same ही है, या फिर you might have some part of the room as a evaluation and some part जहाँ पे therapy होता है. So you have to see as per your infrastructure what are the things you have. ठीक है, इसी के साथ if you have other facilities, for example voice clinic, voice problem के लिए we have something called as acoustic analysis software, PRAT is there. Okay, then electroglottography, laryngograph. Okay, visual feedback tools for vocal training. If you have something called as a fluency clinic, then do you have assessment and treatment setups for stuttering and cluttering. Okay, and is there any kind of feedback system? Do you have a system, a computer dedicated only for recording of the voice or a speech, जहाँ पे आप सिर्फ स्पीच सैम्पल रिकॉर्ड करते हो. Okay, also for articulation problem, do you have articulation room or articulation therapy room or a mirror जहाँ पे आप you can easily give articulation room therapy. Okay. Then do you have a separate language disorder clinic? See, when I say all these clinic na, sometimes the institutes have developed different clinics within the institute itself. So we have a stuttering clinic, we have voice clinic, we have aphasia clinic. Okay, so you might be having some staff which looks after, who is the head of that clinic, or some clinical supervisor. So there are some specialized things which are available only in that clinics, right? If you have articulation clinic, you will see a mirror. That mirror you will not see in maybe aphasia clinic, like that. So there are specialized way of developing the clinic. Then there can be solving clinic or solving department, which can have something like a solo therapy, or if at all you can have fees is also available. Then diet texture modification tools, and then if there is something called a cerebral palsy, then there are some devices, low tech devices like picture books, picture boards. Then now with new AAC board which have come, so AAC is something, it's like alternate communication. You are not training the child to speak there directly, but you are training the child to point to the right picture or a word so that he can communicate in a other way, alternate way. Okay, then do you have any counseling room just for parents? Okay, or say voice lab, where you can do other measurements like aerodynamics assessment, voice quality measurement. So these all are actually clinical facilities that can be listed here. I will also put this PDF of this. Okay. Now the second part is clinical activities. Under the clinical activities, then what are the things are happening? Are we conducting camps? Sometime maybe are we associated with some hospital or some rural areas where we are going and conducting camps? Are we having a special assessment sessions on Thursdays, say any particular day? So we are having assessment going on, therapy going on. Is there any particular activity which is happening? So you have to find out what are the clinical activities which are happening in your institute. So I will put some examples right now, put it in the PDF, but you also have to go and see, look around your in the institute, and then see in this way, is this a clinical activity related to speech and language? Okay, so this will help you to gain the uh, the new perspective of looking at things. Okay, also definitely if you have any doubts, you cannot connect with me because I don't know what is it, but you can share me the picture of it. I can help you with that. Okay, you can ask your seniors, you can ask your staff, so that they will help you if you have any doubt, what is this room for. Okay. Okay, this is my funny instance. I'll just share with you. So in our Bera room, we used to have one instrument, and after one first year got over, second year got over. Every time I used to think that this is instrument for something we will learn someday, and we never used it. After the around third year, then we asked our teacher, "What is this?" Then she said, "No, this is not our instrument. This belongs to homeopathy hospital." So sometimes funny things happen. So find out what are the clinical facilities and activities in your institutes. Okay, thank you.